Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. This is Introduction to Psychology Part 2 by Dear Knowledge. Okay, we have completed the Part 2 of the Lesson 2, and the Lesson 2 is all about the classification of motivation. So in Part 2 we discussed about the need, drive, incentive and motives, and in the Part 3 of the Lesson 2 we'll be discussing about the 5 important considerations that need to be discussed, that need to be understood under the topic of classification of motive. So the first one is variability, and then there is expression. The third one is same behavior in different motive. Fourth one is subtlety of motive, and the fifth one is variety of motives. So these are 5 important considerations. So the classification of motives can be understood in the light of these following 5 considerations or 5 important concentrations. So we'll be discussing these one by one. So let's start with variability. Now, human motives differs from culture to culture and also from person to person within the same culture. And because motives develop as a result of experience, as a rule, they are expressed through learned behavior. And the second one is about expressions. This is one of the important considerations under the topic of classification of motive. So, often similar behavior or often similar motives find expression through different form of behavior. For example, dislike for someone may be expressed in one person by a take or in another person by withdrawal. And the third one is same behavior and different motive. So the same pattern of behavior express different motives. So, for example, 2 women may go to church, one to pray and the other to show off her clothes. So this reflects the same behavior and different motives. 2 people are performing the same behavior, but their motives are different. Then the fourth one is subtlety of motive. Now, motive may not always be plainly evident and readily identifiable. Some motives are expressed in a disguised form. And the fifth one is variety of motives. So a single act of behavior may express a variety of motives. For example, a soldier may be motivated in the performance of his duty according to the orders of his superior to fight for self-defense and to express hostility and to defend country and etc. So these were all about the 5 important consideration of motives, of classification of motive. So this was the end of the video. If your concept is clear, you can like the video. If not, you can ask us in the comment section and we'll be happy to help you out. Plus, if you're new to this channel, subscribe, click on the bell icon so you'll never ever miss any notification, and share the link of this video, link of this channel with your family members and friends, because sharing is caring. Until then, Allah Hafiz.